Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Moderator. My name is Eva Pruneda and I speak on behalf of the Catalan National Assembly, a grassroots organization defending the right to self-determination of the Catalan people. We must be aware of the difficult situation human rights defenders face in many countries and which may deteriorate further if new conflicts and crises arise. For this reason, it is important to set certain standards to face future crises. I would like to talk about espionage, as it is one of the main threats activists face everywhere, both in authoritarian states and democracies as well. Recently, alongside Canadian research certain Citizen Lab, we uncovered Catalan Gate, the biggest case of political espionage in the history of the European Union. Dozens of politicians and activists of the Catalan pro-independence movement have been spied on with Pegasus and other spywares. We even found cases among their relatives and lawyers. As usual, there has been no accountability of any kind by Spanish authorities, not even one single investigation. This sets a dangerous precedent, as the fundamental rights of peaceful and democratic dissidents may be under threat without the authorities taking any responsibility. I would like to remind you that authoritarian regimes have set Spain as an example on how to deal with dissidents and minorities, undermining the protection of human rights not only in Spain but everywhere. The case is currently being discussed in the European Parliament, where we hope to find justice being denied to us in Spain. In this sense, we believe the UN should take a bigger role to set rules on electronic espionage. For all these reasons, the Catalan National Assembly calls on the UN authorities to cooperate with the European Parliament and their investigations, with the goal to set a basic standard for the use of spyware and respect for fundamental rights.